Okay, so we have a picture of a star, and we want to know the sum of the angle measures in the corners of the stars. So we want to know what A, B, C, D, and E add up to. Okay, good. Let's see why. So we have a pentagon inside the star, and all the sides of the pentagon are equal, so it's a regular pentagon. So we can find out what each angle inside a pentagon adds up to, right? What is the sum of the interior angles of a pentagon? How do you get that? 180 times the number of sides, take away 2. How many sides are in a pentagon? What's 5 take away 2? So there's 5 sides. This is the same as the last question we did. What is the sum of a pentagon? 540 degrees. Now, since it's a regular pentagon, if all the sides are equal, then what does that mean about all the angles inside the shape? They're all equal. So this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, and this angle are all going to be the same number of degrees. If there's 5 angles inside this shape and they total to 540, how would you find each angle? Divided by 5. So what's 540 divided by 5? 108. So I want you guys to write this in. 108. These are all 108 degrees, okay? So all the angles inside the pentagon are 108 degrees. I have a straight line here, okay? We're going to use this one as an example. I know that this angle is 108. So can I find the missing angle that's formed on this straight line? What should this angle plus 108 add up to? If they're on a straight line, they're supplementary angles. It should add up to 180 degrees. So let's find this angle. 180 minus 108 is equal to 72 degrees. So this angle is 72. This angle is 72, right? Because 108 plus 72 is 180, which means that this angle is 72, this angle is 72. All the corners of this triangle are 72 degrees. What kind of triangle is this then? Isosceles, because if the angles are equal, then these two sides are equal. Oops. Okay? Remember we learned that? So now we have a triangle. We know that 2 of the angles in the triangle are 72, correct? Yeah. Can you find the missing angle? What should the interior angles in a triangle add up to? 180. So how would I find, let's do A. Yep.
Add 72 together and then subtract the other.
Good. What's 72 plus 72? 144 degrees. And why are we taking that away from 180? Sum of interior is 36. Good. So A, B, C, D, and E are all equal to what each?
36.
Now, what did the question ask us to find?
A plus 36.
What is the question asking you to find?
The sum.
The sum of those angles. So what's 36 added together 5 times? Or you could have done 36 times 5 equals 180 degrees was the final answer. The sum is equal to 180.